Consider a current-carrying wire, current I, in the shape of a circle. Note that as the current progresses along the wire, the direction of J, current density, changes in an exact manner, while the current I remain unaffected. The agent that is essentially responsible for is A. Source of EMF, B. Electric field produced by charges accumulated on the surface of wire, C. The charges just behind a given segment of wire which push them just the right way by repulsion, D. The charges ahead. The current I is the amount of electricity flowing through the wire. It stays the same. The current density J is how much electricity is in a small area of the wire. It changes with direction of electricity. The thing that makes the electricity change direction is the electric field. The electric field is created by charges on the surface of the wire. The charges inside the wire are moving, while the charges on the surface are not. The charges on the surface push or pull the charges inside the wire to make them change direction. Therefore, the answer is B, electric field produced by charges accumulated on the surface of wire.